Hey guys, it's Donovan Bray. So it is the it's actually the first Friday of season. Tomorrow will be the second Saturday. But anyways, the date is April 6th and it's actually my birthday today. So hopefully I can hear some birds this morning and get a birthday gobbler. That'd be pretty cool. But just stick around and we'll see how it unfolds. Okay guys, so I am set up in the same spot I set up on opening morning. There's been two birds that gobbled all morning long, and they are both like really far away from me. I could barely hear them, and they're on opposite properties and about 500 yards on the opposite property, so it's not even like they're close to a fence line and I could get them to come over. I can't get them. They probably wouldn't be able to hear my soft calling, so I'm just set up here where I missed that tom last time I came out. I saw that other tom and hen strutting down here, so I figured I'd just sit down here and give it a go. So we'll see. I'm planning to sit here till like 9:30, and if I haven't seen anything, then I'm gonna go peek around in some fields. Alright guys, so it's about 2 minutes till 9, and I was getting ready to call it quits, so I was over here, so I came up like right in here, and I was just gonna walk down this trail right here and then pop up on the other side like up there, and look, there's a field over there that I can't hunt, but it's the field that I missed that tom on Monday. And so when I walked up here, that guy right there was strutting right there, and I didn't get it on camera because I wasn't ready, so I apologize for that. But I crawled behind that Jake Strutter right there, and I busted him about 50 yards. He's got, I haven't measured it yet, but he's got, I mean, every bit of a 10-inch beard. I'm thinking it's more pushing 11. And I'll give you exacts here later, and then look at these spurs. That's the smaller one right there. Look at that. Look at them spurs. Those are, I would say, at least an inch. I mean, I guess at least an inch. You got a beautiful tail fan. So, busted him with the Remington 870, and my shell is a double X 3-inch Winchester round. They're cheap rounds, but they hold good patterns. I got a True Glow choke tube at the end that I can kill him up 60 yards, and he was standing about 50. I got him. He had two hens with him. I called to him for a long time. Like, he was way over there this morning, way over here. There's the property line. Like, the woods right there, that starts the property line. He's right there. So I'll just give you, that's where he laid dead. I didn't set him anywhere. I mean, he was really close to the property line, but he was way back in there this morning, and I was way down there, and there was hens in between us. So he was actually, I mean, I can't believe it, but he was coming to me. So, I mean, maybe there was a hen right here that I couldn't hear or something, but I mean, he gobbled in the tree like once or twice, and so I wasn't even planning on killing him. I was just sitting right there to hope that some, quiet gobbler would come in, because there were none gobbling that I could get set up on. So I was like, I mean, I've seen him there before, so I'm just gonna sit right here. And so I called, and he gobbled like probably 1,000 yards. I could barely hear him. So I started calling really loud, and then I hear another gobble like 20 minutes later, and I mean, he was at like 700 yards. And then, I mean, then I heard those hens fly down, and I was like, well, that's game over. So I figured they carried him off. I wasn't even really planning on even like seeing him or anything. I came around here to look in that field, like I said, to see if I could put a sneak with that Jake decoy. I was gonna
set that Jake decoy up and then set my camera right. I always like turn this right here and then set that up against and have that Jake right there, and then, you know, set it up like that right there, and, you know, get ready to shoot one out in front. But I didn't have time. My phone was in my pocket, and hey guys, so I told you I'd tell you how much that bird weighed and everything. So that Tom, he weighed 22 pounds 3 ounces. He on his left side he had 1 inch and 1/8 spur, and on his right side he had 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and those were his spurs. And then his beard was 10.5 inches, and I killed him at like 50 yards. It was like 50, 55. So yep, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tell your friends about this, and I'll get the next one on video. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.